What's going on, everybody? With my boy Vinny right here, riding bird scooters. Whipped this one from Walla Walla, stole that shit, threw it in my truck. Vinny just went down some crazy stairs. I'll show you that right now too. Throwing it back in my truck real quick. Just throw it in there. Put that shit down. I don't want people seeing that shit.
We're jacking the bird. Like that?
No fucking way this dude got that shit. Said he's nasty on stairs, bro. He's nasty on stairs. How do you feel being able to complete the trifecta of going down the stairs?
I knew I was gonna do it. So I was surprised.